Hey y'all, it's that time of month again, and I apologize. Last month I did the video and some things came up. I was traveling and I never got it posted like I wanted, so I'm back. And for the So Sampler, this is June's box, man. This year's flying by. And that one, it came so late in the month, that's why I kind of got goofed up with it. But you can see I haven't opened it yet. So I'm excited. I've had a lot of work in progress things. I did a quilt class this morning, and it's got 2 out of 4 blocks done, and like I need more projects, but here we go. So the theme is Be Our Guest, and it's got little flowers, and I won't look inside. Like always, there's a coupon for Charm Packs, Pillow Insert, Martingale books, and I really like, I kind of need to cover up these codes, but I really like the cover of this book that they're advertising, and it's the Sunday Best Quilts, and it has 2 different versions of, they both look like the pineapple block, which I really have come to like when we did the other So Sampler. Okay, and then our card, and I won't read through that until we're closer to being done. Maybe it's sad or not, I'm trying to control how much I buy. I tend to not use the coupons until I think it's something I need, and then they've expired. They usually give you a month or 2. Yeah, August 20th. So I try. But we've got, and I almost bought some of these needle storage tubes. Sorry about the door. My dog just opened it up. She's smelling my sewing machine that I took this morning. So, needle storage tubes. And it looks like they give you the labels. Yeah, 33 clear labels for all types and sizes of needles. So, yeah, you can put what size needle you have, which is handy. And then, sewing machine cleaning brushes. That's handy. It says micro tip for precise cleaning, bendable for hard to reach areas, 25 colored disposable brushes. That's pretty neat. And it does say, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive colors, I'm sure. It says, I guess the brand is Quilt in a Day, but I'm sure you can buy them on Fat Quarter Shop. And then the fabric is Walkabout by Moda, and it says, it's Sherry and Chelsea is the designer, and I like keeping my charm packs together, but it's navies, blues, kind of some khaki-ish colors, cream, green, cream color. It's kind of a coral red, more closer to red, and then this pinkish color, but there's the, it's upside down. But yeah, Walkabout. And then Strawberry Jam, which I already have a layer cake of this. And it's a Cory Yoder. Yeah, Cory Yoder. And I'm making I have one cut that I need to make. And the colors for this one are, there's kind of some, it's grays, whites, greens, pinks, lime green. And I really like the strawberries, but the white, yellows, but yeah, it's really great. So a Strawberry Jam charm pack. I don't think I said that on the other. It's a charm pack. And then we get Sunday Best Pillows. And this is the Sherry McConnell and Cory Yoder. A strip pillow. I wonder if this is what they intend for you to make. Because you can use charm packs, beige, back quarter, floral print. So this is, I guess it's going to be both of them. That's one pillow. And it ends up being a 23¼ by 19. And your finished blocks are 3" by 3". And it gives you the directions for that. And then this, I really like this one, the Starling pillow. So I'm guessing you can use a charm pack for each of them. Yeah, 27 charm pack. And the charm packs have 42. So you could, one's 26 and one's 27. So you could interchange, not quite do 2 with 1. But I really like that one. So they give you directions for both of those. And then our block of the month. I haven't done the other ones. So there's that. But this has the, this uses the strawberry jam fabric. Obviously you don't have to use that fabric, but that's what they're using. And then, this is neat, it's one of those ironing, the wool ironing, I don't want to call it a mat. Oh, that's what they call it, a pressing mat. So, to look and run through, they always give you a coupon for 20% off all the box items. And then we got our Sunday Best pillow pattern. They say that is $10, which could be believable. They're valuing the quilt block at $5. The charm packs, $19.96. I wonder if that's for each or for both. Well, it says both of them, so $19.96 for both. But that's awesome. 2 charm packs. And then the pressing mat, $12.48. That's firm surface absorbs the heat, so your patchwork is heated on both sides. Lattice seams possible. I've never used one of these, but I've always been curious. And that's the nice thing about this box, is you sort of get things that you might not necessarily try out. But $12.48, I don't know if I told you all that. The needle storage, $6.98. The cleaning brushes, $4.48. And that's it. So we do 5, 7, 12, 24, 44, 54, about $60. I rounded up a little, and you know, I paid $29.95, I think it is. So pretty good deal. It's always nice to get new notions to try out, and if I already have something or think somebody else might, I don't necessarily open everything the first day. I get it because I can always pass it along to other people. I'm in swap groups. So yeah, I can always do that if they're not Sew Sampler people. I noticed that there's a waiting list for the Sew Sampler, so unfortunately if you don't have it, you have to wait, but definitely could be worth the wait. So thank y'all. I hope everyone's having a good summer, and we'll see you next month. Bye.